guys, welcome back to my channel. I got another video here going on the shop. You can see I lost some hair. I look like a Mr. Potato Head. Let's get back to the video. So I got here a little plastic thing. You guys know what it is. I'm not gonna have to explain. It's something simple. But I had a problem with my welder like last week. It stopped welding on the setting. So it started working on setting 3 for the heat around. So every time I had it here, there was no click, nothing was working. It was just a simple, not a simple because we had a diagnostic, but I mean, I didn't have to replace the machine. She's old. I have this machine for over 10 years. When everything started as a hobby, this is the first welder I bought. I'm still using it in the shop. It's like 10 years old or more. So I'm gonna show here. Every time I had it, put it on 1, it make this noise every time I click on the control or the gun, whatever. See that noise, the click? It was not clicking. So it was welding, they just decided to stop. Now I do it 1, it's on 3, it's working. I mean on 2. And now I put on 3, that was the one that was not working. 3 was not working. It was I could press it, was not doing nothing. Now if I press it, see? I go setting 4 on the heat. Working. So normally I weld between 2 and 3. That's what I use the most. I rarely use 4 unless I'm doing something very heavy, but like when I'm working on car sheet metal, I'm between 2 and 3. And then I noticed first it seemed like this was fading because I noticed my my welding was more like pop 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 pop. It was not welding like normally like frying bacon. It was more like popcorn. So I kept lowering the speed into 1. And that's when it was welding a little bit better, but I was like, this is not like I normally weld. It was not a good weld. And then just the sudden this went off. The 3 stopped working. And then I put in 2, worked. So I had to order this part on eBay. I went on Google, found it on Google, but I didn't trust the website because I never heard about that website. So what was wrong with this machine, I'm gonna turn it off, was this switch right here. This switch right here is the brand new one. So when I took it off, this line here, they're like the thick metal. They're not like wire, like regular wire. It's like a thick metal, kind of like let's say the electrical house wire, where they're like thick copper. This is a little more like silver, but it's a line, you know. Some have 2 connection. See, so this is the new one. So I had the old one apart. I still got to put my zip tie back on. That's what the plastics are for, zip tie. I got to put back the zip tie on here, all real nice. But finally I was able to fix my welder. I thought I had to buy a new welder, but luckily no. So this is the old switch here. I took it apart to see what was wrong, but then everything flew out. But like you can see on this one, there's number 3. You see he's burnt. So something happened there. There's a shortage or something. So this went bad, and then it seemed like I believe it was number 2 was going bad too, because before everything flew out, it looked like it was a little dark too, the color. But this part cost me I believe it was $59 with tax. It was like $54. But I was lucky. They had it here in Illinois. It was a website on eBay. I mean a page on eBay. They say they had it. It was supposed to get here Friday, but see here it's burnt. It was supposed to be here Friday, but it came last night. So this is first thing in the morning. I'm putting this thing on so I can keep working because I need welding to do today. So I saved myself $500-$600 on a machine because I was gonna spend probably $600 on a different welder. I was probably going to go with the Lincoln Electric, but I cannot complain. This is a Clark welder, 130 in. It's 110 volt. I could use it with flux core, or I could use it with but I shouldn't open this, but the door came off. So this machine, I bought it around $500. I want to say I bought it in Northern Industrial. I don't remember exactly what I bought it, but 10 years ago I can complain it should go bad. But I was able to replace this, and this saved my life. I'm not sure the name, what this is called. You know, it's maybe the heat setting switch, but I know this was it. What was wrong with this machine was just this switch. So I'm glad, I'm happy I was able to get it going. Now I'm gonna put it back on, and I'm gonna start welding because I gotta get back to welding. So it's a small video. I just want to show you guys that sometimes you can save your money by doing it yourself. You don't have to throw the stuff out. Sometimes find out, see what's wrong with it, you know, and then if you figure out, good. If not, then throw it out or find somebody who can fix it. But I say before I throw it out, I'm gonna buy another one, spend $600 that I didn't want to spend right now. I just decided to take a chance. Look at this. I noticed the screw when I tried to turn the screw on here. I turned the screw kept spinning. It was number 3, this one here. The screw kept spinning. You want to come back. So I was like, and you see number 2 here, that's what I'm talking about, burn. So I was like, okay, number 3 is spinning. It should be that problem. Then I saw number 2. I was like, okay, there was like a short there, something happened. So I said, let me buy this switch. If it is, it worked. If not, I lost $60. But before I invest in $600, $800 welder, because the really welder I wanted is the Millermatic, but that's over $1,000. I think it's like almost $2,000. So right now I was able to save it, and I'm gonna get back to work on this one. So please don't forget to hit back my channel, subscribe, hit the little bell so you can watch the videos every time I post them. Don't forget to come and share, comment, whatever. So help me grow my channel. And right now I got this work to do here in this van, so I'm gonna give you a little tour. I'm working on this one. It's Amazon, fixing the door. It was real bad. He didn't want to replace it. Told me if I could fix it. It was real bad. Any other shop would replace it, but because I'm not any other shop, I decided to fix it. I still got to fix the inside part of the door, you know. Let's see if I can open here. I still got to fix the inside of the door, you can see. So all this was dented, so I still got to do that. But that's the Amazon I'm working on. It took a while because I was waiting for the door latch, and it's still not here, but I stole the door latch from the other van that dropped. So I'm working on this one. I did the bed liner last night. You see? Yeah, I know I put the stuff. I'm gonna take it apart. I'm gonna take it out. I don't like putting stuff when I got a new bed liner, but I was working on the switch, so I still gotta put all the screw back in, you know. So working on there was rust in this bed. I would have just get rid of it and get a new user bed, you know, used bed or a new one. It's not worth putting much money in this truck, but the guy don't understand. He wanted to fix it. So if he paid me, I fixed it. So I fixed it. The rust in the wheel well. Then did a little bundle work, and then now bed liner. I still gotta do the tailgate, and then we got some rust issue in the doors. He want to fix that also, but I'm not not sure if I'm gonna have time to finish that because he want to go on a trip next week. So I might not be able to finish that because I'm right back on my own in the shop. It seemed like my guy got the virus, so he's home. This car got dropped. I'm gonna be working on this car, fender, door, quarter panel, back bumper. Here is smaller, but we gotta replace the tail light and fix this little dent right here. So Amazon came yesterday again. They dropped another van. They said one of the driver drive crazy, so he damaged the truck. So we gotta fix this here. See, it's not as bad as the other one. It's an easy fix. And then this one, This one is an insurance job. Not insurance job, I'm sorry. The guy's paying, but it's a collision job. So all of the parts, a lot of parts are back order. So I'm just waiting for parts. Some parts came in today, like this box that you see, the box there. They came today. But there's still one of the important parts that I needed. The bumper reform is the month back order. So hopefully we could get it sooner. But so this Camaro came in. We're gonna be doing the caliper jello. He wanted to put some spacer. I don't know why, but he wanted to take out the tire more out, which it don't make sense for me, but whatever. We want to fix this bumper. See here, damage. So we gotta fix this and paint it. He got a like lower piece he want to put in the front bumper, plastic. We're gonna take this one off. We're gonna put that one, but he want to fix the bumper also, because this bumper was painted before. Some guy did a poor job. Unless it was the dealer that sold it, it's hard to tell. But there's a run in here. There's a run over here. There's another run, but it's hard to see because of the lighting. So we're gonna take it off, sand it down, fix it, paint it. This hood, it's hard to tell, but you have like a little line here, kind of the same color. It's hard to see it. You can probably see here. But it's hard to tell because it looks kind of the same color. So the guy want to get rid of this hood, not replace it. I mean, he want to sand it down and paint it gloss black. So everything that you're gonna see here is gonna be gloss black. The hood is gonna be gloss black. Oh, this grill, he want them to like matte black, which I would have left in plastic, but he want to paint them. So this is what we're gonna do on this Camaro, a little makeover, you know. And then the rest are guys that are customer got waiting in line. So for now this is it, the shop tour. Just don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit like, you know, share, comment, help us get our name out there. The name of the business is Nano Car Restoration. Nano Car Restoration. And no, that's not my nickname, that's my dad's nickname. He passed away, so I named my baby in his honor. So thank you for watching. This video was more for the welder. So like you see, I got a lot of work to do. I'm by myself, so I'm gonna let you guys go. And just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment. You know, follow me on Facebook too, under Nano Car Restoration LLC. Follow me on Instagram under the same name, so Nano Car Restoration LLC. I appreciate all the love, all the support, and you guys have a nice week.